Over all the years I've been trading, I've probably tried everything out there. Indicators, strategies, bots. Most of it either didn't work at all or worked for a month and then just stopped. So I kept only what actually works for me. And I'll show you how it works with this session where I made $1,400. Let's go. Before the trades, let me quickly walk through the rules I trade by. First is trend. No trend means no trade, period. Second is support and resistance levels. Price needs to react to them. Third is pattern. Head and shoulders, triangles, needs to be clear on the chart. Fourth, two indicators, parabolic SAR and MACD. SAR is like a compass. Dots below the candles means trend is up, dots above means down. MACD is like a scale. When one line crosses the other, the market is changing direction. Both need to agree. Fifth, I set the expiration with a buffer, and I always check whether the price still has room to move. Sixth is risk management. I use my triplets method, which you'll see in action in this video. If I hit my daily loss limit, I close the terminal. No martingale, ever. All right, first trade. Looking at the chart, I usually look for a chart with a clear trend, and this one is no exception. What you're seeing on screen is an uptrend, but it's not perfect. Price is hitting several resistance zones and pulling back to the trend line each time. That's completely normal. But then things start getting more interesting. Price reaches a new level, and it's immediately obvious this level is stronger than the previous ones. Why? Because first we see a light touch and price instantly drops. Then a second attempt, a false breakout, and another pullback. Meanwhile, the trend line keeps holding, which tells me the trend is still intact. Also just below, a new support level is forming. And that's a flag for me. There's a chance price could get stuck in consolidation. To avoid getting caught in that, I take expiration with some buffer, 22 minutes. That gives price time to move even if it stalls a bit. Then I check the indicators. Parabolic SAR, dots are mostly below the candles, confirming the uptrend. Locally, because of the pullback, a couple dots appeared above, and that's fine. Price just reacted to resistance. MACD is also giving me a useful signal. Red line is above the green, but they're very close together, and both are above zero. That tells me it's a temporary pullback, but the overall trend hasn't changed. First trade green. The key here is not to rush. Trend is there, but price might linger at the level. Now second setup. Head and shoulders. I've seen this one dozens of times. First thing I always do is look at how price has been behaving on this asset overall. Right now it's a downtrend, but like the first trade, not a clean one. There are strong pullbacks where reversal patterns form. For example, recently there was a double top that sent the trend back down. After that, price hits a support level and bounces sharply upward. Consolidation begins. And that's where the head and shoulders pattern forms. It's forming at the end of an upward impulse, which suggests the move up is likely over and a reversal down is coming. I draw the trend line and the neckline and watch the candles, especially the wicks. Every touch of the level gives a pullback, but the pullbacks are getting smaller and smaller. Volatility is dropping. Price is compressing inside the pattern. Classic accumulation before a move. For confirmation, I check MACD. Red line crosses the green from above. Histogram bars are moving down. That strengthens my read. I wait for the neckline to break and open a trade down for 16 minutes. I'm on the 2-minute time frame, so I take a little extra buffer. Pattern plays out. Trade closes in profit. Second trade green. Head and shoulders is one of the most reliable patterns when it forms at the end of an impulse. By the way, if you want to participate in these sessions, you can just copy my trades. It's free. Just DM me, Telegram, whatever suits you. Next one, downtrend again. This pair started the day in consolidation, but then came back to the downward trend. And right now, price meets support and makes a pretty strong pullback. That starts the wedge pattern forming. I draw the resistance level and watch how price reacts. It tests that level and forms a doji candle. That's always a sign of indecision. Then the next candle comes in, big red, and that one sets the direction. Price breaks below the bottom of the wedge. That's my entry signal. I open a trade down for 16 minutes. Why not shorter? Because there's another support level lower on the chart. Price might pull back from it. I confirm with the indicators. MACD, red line crosses the green from above, histogram going down. Parabolic SAR, dots are sitting above the candles. Everything is pointing to trend continuation. Trade closes in profit. Doji means the market is hesitating. Big candle right after in the trend direction means it made up its mind. That's when I enter. Last detailed trade. Global uptrend on the chart. Price came down to a support level and bounced hard upward. And now it's starting to compress inside a pattern. Symmetrical triangle forming. Classic sign that the market is building up for a sharp move, most likely in the direction of the main trend. My job is to confirm that. I watch how price behaves inside the pattern. First thing, every time price approaches the lower trend line, it bounces sharply upward. That tells me the uptrend is strong. Second, after those bounces, price keeps hanging around the upper boundary of the pattern. That means sellers are trying to push the market down, but they're getting weaker each time. Now the indicators. Parabolic SAR showing uptrend, dots mostly below the candles. MACD also giving important signals. Green line is slightly above the red, but they're nearly touching. Histogram is almost at zero and keeps shrinking. All of that points to fading sideways movement and a new impulse about to start. Everything together is telling me the market is about to make a move. So I take expiration with buffer to give price room, open a trade up for 18 minutes, and then after a small pullback, price pushes into the impulse. Trade closes in profit. Fourth trade green, symmetrical triangle in a strong trend almost always continues in the trend direction. The key is waiting for volatility to compress and giving price time to make its move. I'm not going to break down every single one because it's the same system, same rules. 3 losses out of 10. Every single time, incomplete confirmation, I entered where the system was telling me not to. So what do we have here? 9 trades, 7 wins, $1,400 in profit. I wasn't chasing the market, I was just following the system. Every trade is a combination of factors: trend, levels, patterns, indicators, and expiration with a buffer. That's what calm trading actually looks like. No adrenaline, no stress, which for some of you might actually be a bad thing. The checklist is in the description. Go grab it. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.